Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Bar Talk with Ola and my name is Mujola Olua. Today I want to talk about how to announce your appearance in court. Now, announcing your appearance in a Nigerian court is very important. In fact, it's one of the first things you have to do in court to show the court that you're present. If you do not announce your presence in court, the court cannot recognize your presence. So you could sit in court all day and the court would not even know that you're there because you have not announced your appearance. So it's the very first step to getting anything done in court as a Nigerian lawyer. And it can be pretty tricky, even though it's very, very easy to do. The first thing I would encourage you to do as a newbie is to get to court very early. By the time you sit in court and you watch maybe 2, 3, or 4 people announce their appearance, you get familiar with how to do yours, and it would not be so much of a difficult job for you to do. Alternatively, you can learn from this video ahead of time. Like I said, announcing your appearance in court is very important because proper announcement has a way of building your confidence, and it helps you, to gain momentum and to be able to do your matter very well. You do not want to be harassed by a judge right from the point of announcing your appearance. So it's very important to get it right. You can watch people the way they announce their own appearances, or you can learn ahead of time, which is why I've created this video for you. Normally, I announce my own appearance the way I learned it for my first principal, pre-call. Yeah, I interned at a firm twice before my call to the bar, and I watched my principal the way he announced his appearance. I just loved it. He was soft spoken, he would talk, it was so brief, and it was so straight to the point, and I just liked it. So I adopted it right from time, and that's how I announced my appearance even up till today. There are different ways by which you can announce your appearance in a Nigerian court. There are not so many ways, but you can play around with words. So, for instance, if I were to announce my own appearance, I would say, "May it please the court, O.M. Livingstones for the plaintiff," or "May it please the court, O.M. Livingstones for the state," or "May it please the court, O.M. Livingstones for the defendant." That's like straight, short, and sharp. Some people would say that, "May my lord be pleased," and then they would say their name. Usually, to announce your appearance in Nigeria, in a Nigerian court, you have to say the prefix. That's the "May it please," the intro. That's "May it please the court," or "May my lord be pleased," or "May my noble lord be pleased," or any intro you want to use, and then you give the court your name, your initials, and your surname. Or you could give the court your name and your full name. That's your name and your surname. But I usually give the court my initials, so I'll just say O.M. Livingstones for the plaintiff. So you could use different methods. Someone could say, "May my noble lord be pleased, I am J.K. Ajangbadi," for the claimant. Or someone could say, "May my lord be pleased, I am O.S. Ajanle Koko," for the defendant. Or someone could say that, "May it please this honorable court, I am so and so," for the defendant or for the claimant. And some people say, "Respectfully, sir, O.M. Livingstones." Or some people could say, "With profound humility to this honorable court, my name is so and so," for the claimant, "so and so," for the defendant. So that's basically how to make your appearance in a Nigerian court. You make your intro, then your name, your surname, your name and your surname, or your initials and your surname. Then you tell the court who you are appearing for that particular day. And if you have company, for instance, maybe your learned colleague is with you, you could say something like, "May my lord be pleased, O.M. Livingstones for the claimant. Appearing with me is S.O. Ajanle Koko. My lord, our humble appearance is for the claimant." So it's basically just that. So different intros, and then you affix your name, your initials, and your surname, or your full name. And then you tell the court whom you're representing in the matter, and then you tell the court if you have company or not. So that's basically how to announce your appearance in a Nigerian court. So I'll go over a few using my own name. "May it please the court, O.M. Livingstones. My appearance is for the plaintiff. With me is S.O. Ajanle Koko. May my lord be pleased, O.M. Livingstones. With me is S.O. Bakari. Our appearance is for the claimant. May it please this honorable court, O.M. Livingstones. My appearance is for the claimant. Respectfully, sir, O.M. Livingstones. I appear for the claimant. With me is S.O. Ajanle Koko for the claimant. Respectfully, my lord, O.M. Livingstones for the claimant. With me is S.O. Bakari for the claimant. May it please your lordship, O.M. Livingstones for the claimant. With profound humility to my lord, O.M. Livingstones for the claimant. With profound humility to this honorable court, O.M. Livingstones, my appearance is for the claimant. With me is S.O. Bakari for the claimant. So if you were a state council, for instance, you have to announce your name, and then you have to tell the court your rank, and then you tell the court who your appearance is for. For instance, you'd say that, may the court be pleased, O.M. Livingstones, State Council, my appearance is for the state. Or you say, respectfully, sir, O.M. Livingstones, State Council, Senior State Council, Director so and so, my appearance is for the state. So it's as simple as ABC, as they say. So it's very important, if you're a new week, make sure you get to court on time. When you watch 2 or 3 appearances, you will know what to say. And even if not, watch a video like this to prepare you ahead of time. It's very important for you to announce your appearance very boldly, in good spoken English, with fluency and, proper pronunciation. And it just has a way of, setting you up for a wonderful delivery in court. So make sure your appearance is excellent. And I will always see you in my very next video. Toodles!